नमस्ते बेटिया। myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Dravya Gun, Faculty of Ayurved, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about मरीच। मरीच काली मिर्च आप लोगों ने सबने देखी होगी। तो इसका जो बॉटनिकल नेम है वो है पाइपर नाइग्रम। पाइपर नाइग्रम फैमिली नेम है इसकी पाइपरेसी। फैमिली है पाइपरेची पाइपरेसी और कुल है पिपली कुल या पिपली कुल है ना। और उसका क्लासिकल कैटेगराइजेशन देखें तो मरीच मेंशंस मरीच इन दीपनीय महाकषाय, शूल प्रशमन महाकषाय, क्रमिग्न महाकषाय एंड सेरोविरेचन महाकषाय। रिपीट, चरक मेंशंस मरीच इन दीपनीय महाकषाय, शूल प्रशमन महाकषाय, क्रमिग्न महाकषाय एंड सेरोविरेचन महाकषाय। And Sushruत mentions Pippalyadigana and Triushnadigana. Pippalyadigana and Triushnadigana. हिंदी में अपन इसको मिर्च, काली मिर्च ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, काली मिर्च नाम से या मरीच कहते हैं इसको। And its synonyms and its meaning. Firstly, maricham. That seeds are small and fragrance, having katuras pradhan and acts as vishagna and destroy organism. So it is called maricham. मतलब इसके जो सीड्स होते हैं वो स्मॉल होते हैं, फ्रेग्रेंस से वो के युक्त होते हैं, कटुरस प्रधान होते हैं और विषग्न होते हैं और जो जंतुग्न होते हैं मतलब डिस्ट्रॉय ऑर्गेनिज्म। वल्लीजम, एज द फ्रूट आर इन द क्लाइंबर। क्लाइंबर होता है इसका जो ये हब होती है, ये क्लाइंबर होती है। कृष्णम, फ्रूट्स आर ब्लैक व्हेन राइप। जब इसके फ्रूट्स पक जाते हैं तो वो ब्लैक कलर के होते हैं। सो इट्स कॉल्ड कृष्णम। उष्णम, ठीक है, उष्णम, इट इज उष्ण इन वीर्य, सो इट इज कॉल्ड उष्णम। मरीच इज उष्णम। धर्मपत्नम, an important spices for export and as such found in ports, so it is called dharmapatnam. Dharmapatnam, why? An important spice for export and as such found in ports, so it is called dharmapatnam. Kolkam, it is katu, an important drug to export, so it is called kolkam. Tikshnam, sharp in property, so it is called tikshnam. Yavanestam, the fruits are in demand in other countries, so it is called Yavanestam. Yavano ka east, ठीक है, the fruits are in demand in other countries, so it is called Yavanestam. Katukam, it is having katuras and katuvipak, so it is called katukam. It is having katuras and katuvipak, so it is called katukam. Kaf virodhi, a potent drug for cough disorders, so it is called kaf virodhi, potent drug for cough. Ruksham, the drug is having ruksham, so it is kaf virodhi, so it is called ruksham also. Viram, a potent drug, so it is called viram. Vratphalam, the fruits are round, so it is called vratphalam. And Shirovrantam, a minute cup on the top, so it is called Shirovrantam. So all of the above prayas depends main features. Plant is a climber, so Vallism, we learned Vallism because this plant is climber. Fruits become black when ripened and round. Then we learned Krishnam synonym, where we can learn this feature. Fruits become black when ripened and round. And Ruksh, Tikshna and Ushna property. Ruksh, Tikshna and Ushna property. An important drug for export and from ancient time. A very important drug used in Kaphas rogas and destroy organism and a common species. Bhed, varieties. According to some Nighantukars, two varieties have been mentioned, Maricham and Swet Maricham. Kedev Nighantu says that the fruit are white when it is fresh, which is not observed, and black when dry. According to Raj Nighantu, the Shigru beach is said to Swet Marich, which is also not correct. But in common practices, the Marich is soaked in water, the testa is removed and used as Swet Marich. According to source, two varieties are mentioned, Purvi Marich, the one obtained from North India, and Dakshini Marich, the one obtained from South India. The variety is said to have more Tikshna property, Dakshin Marich. Habitat Utpatti Sthan. The plant is wild in Kerala and mostly under cultivation in the hotter part of India. And habit Swarup, a stout glabrous climber, stems terete, sparingly rooting, much thickened at the nodes. Leaves coriaceous, 10 to 18 by 0.5 to 15.5 centimeter. Broadly, ovate, acuminate, glabrous 5 to 9 nerve. The sub-row basal nerves usually alternate. Base usually rounded, more or less oblique. Petiole 1.3 to 2.5 centimeter long. Flowers in slightly interrupted glabrous spikes of variable length, 5 to 15 centimeter, dioecious or sometimes polygonous. Bract of the female spikes more or less adnate to the rachis, forming a short hemispheric cup beneath the ovary, bracteoles forming a semilunar ridge. Above the ovary, stamens 2, stigma 2 to 4, fruits glabose 6 mm diameter or less. At first yellow, afterwards becoming red when full ripe. Upyukta anupad used is phal. We all know about marich. We all already seen marich. So it's upyukta part, upayukta part or part used as phal. जो अपन ने marich देखी, this is. Description of the part: black variety consists of dry, semi-ripe fruits of globose shape 3.5 to 6 mm in diameter. The surface is coarse, deeply and reticulately wrinkled, having a brown or brownish black color. The fruit bears remains of a sessile stigma at the apex. The pericarp is closely adherent to the seed. Odor strong and spicy, taste acrid and pungent. White variety consists of mature ripe fruits with pericarp removed, up to 5 mm in diameter, grayish white in color, and striated from base to apex by a number of light strips. This variety is less aromatic and pungent than black pepper. Now the properties of marich: ras tikt katu, या फिर katu tikt. Ras is katu tikt is more correct. Veer is ushna, gun लघु रुक्षण तीक्ष्ण. गुण लघु रुक्षण तीक्ष्ण. विपाक is katu. दोष कर्मता कफवात शम. दोष कर्मता कफवात शम. Pharmacological actions: अग्निदीपन. Pharmacological actions is अग्निदीपन, वात शामक, पित्तकारक, श्वासग्न, शूलग्न, क्रमिग्न, छेदन, रुच्य, मेदोहर, छेदी, हृदयोग्रह, सुगंधी, उत्तेजक, स्वेदजनन, मूत्रजनन and लेखन. Those all are pharmacological actions of marich. अग्निदीपन, वात शामक, पित्तकारक, श्वासग्न मतलब श्वास रोग में उपयोगी, शूलग्न किसी तरह का पेन हो तो पेन मैनेजमेंट, क्रमिग्न एंटीवर्म्स, छेदन स्क्रैपिंग प्रॉपर्टी, रुच्य एज एपेटाइजर यू कैन से, मेदोहर scrapping property of fat, छेदी also, हृदयोग्रह हृदय रोग हर मतलब हृदय से हार्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी डिजीज हो उसको दूर करने वाला, सुगंधी एरोमेटिक, उत्तेजक एंड स्वेदजनन, मूत्रजनन एंड लेखन. These all are all type of actions in marich. आमयुक्त प्रयोग, थेरापेटिक यूजेस इन अग्निमांद्य एंड कुपाचन. अग्निमांद्य एंड कुपाचन. मरीच चूर्ण इज गिवन. ठीक है. It increases आमाशयक रस एंड इम्प्रूव पाचन। ठीक है, ये डाइजेस्टिव चूजेस को बढ़ाता है और डाइजेशन को प्रॉपर करता है। इट इज यूजफुल इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ घृत। ठीक है, अगर आप कुछ हैवी लेते हैं जिस लाइक घृत, तो ये यूजफुल है उसके डाइजेशन में। इट इज यूजफुल इन आधमान, टेम्पेनाइटिस, एपाचन, इंडाइजेशन, प्रवाहिका, डिसेंट्री, एंड आमाशय शैथिल्य। ठीक है, इन प्रवाहिका द सूक्ष्म चूर्ण इज गिवन विद हिंगू एंड अहिफे। In Budabranch, prolapse of the rectum and arch piles, Jeerak and Marich is given with Madhu daily. Jeerak, Marich with Madhu. The alkaloid piperine is having Jwaragan property and used in Visham Jwar, malaria. ठीक है, piperine. In Visuchika, in the beginning state, equal quantity of Marich, Ahifene and Hingu are used. In cas, given with Madhu and Grit. In this condition, it is given with Madhu, Grit, Sharkra, or with the kalk of Baderi leaves. In chronic cough, it is given with Gud and Dadi. In Hikka and Swas, it is given with Bharangi and Yavakshar, along with the warm water. In Hikka and Swas, it is given with Bharangi and Yavakshar, along with warm water. In Aptanak convulsions, Marich and Vacha are mixed with Dadi, given in amputated stomach. ठीक है, Aptanak convulsions, Marich and Vacha are mixed with Dahi, given in amputated stomach. In night blindness, Marich rubbed with curds as anjan to the eyes. In Amvat, Angaghat, Kandu, Pama is used externally. In insects bites, a lap of Marich is applied. In insect bite, a lap of Marich is applied. In Dantshul, a quath is prepared and used for gandush. ठीक है, दंतशूल में क्वाथ प्रिपेयर किया जाता है और गंडूश किया जाता है इसका दागी में. इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन दंत मंजरी, टूथ पाउडर. ठीक है, टूथ पाउडर और बनाया जाता है इसका. मात्रा चूर्ण 250 मिलीग्राम टू 1 ग्राम. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चूर्ण की मात्रा इसकी 250 मिलीग्राम से 1 ग्राम तक. ज्यादातर हम कहां तक लेते हैं? 3 से 6 ग्राम तक. मरीज के चूर्ण की मात्रा 250 मिलीग्राम से 1 ग्राम तक. औषधि योग फॉर्मुलेशंस. त्रिकटु चूर्ण, सौंठ मरीच पीपली त्रिकटु. ठीक है, तो त्रिकटु चूर्ण, मरीचिकादि गुड़िका, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ मरीच. मरीचिकादि तैल, मरीचिकादि चूर्ण and Marichikadya Grath. These all are formulations. In this formulation, one ingredient is Marich. So it is all are formulations of Marich. Chemical constituents, alkaloids होता है इसके अंदर. piperine होता है, chavicine होता है, piperidine होता है, piperidine होता है, and essential oils. These are the chemical constituents in Marich. Now, classical reference. In classical reference, Bhavaprakash Nigantu says Maricham, Vellajam, कृष्णम, ऊष्णम, धर्मपतनम, मरीचम, कटुकम, तीक्ष्णम, दीपनम, कफवातजित. ऊष्णम, पित्तकरम, रुक्षम, श्वास शूल कृमि हरेत. तद आर्द मधुरम, न पाके न अति उष्णम, कटुकम गुरु. किंचित तीक्ष्णम गुणम, श्लेष्म प्रसेकी शाद पितनम. This is all about Marich. So today's topic is very important according to your syllabus, according to competitive exams, and according to in medical field. So you should remember all the topic and its subtopics. This is very important for your exam. Today's session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.